Welcome to my demo on the LDA Topic Modelling Project. So in this project, I have taken more than 110,000 news articles, just raw text of those news articles, and trained it on Latent Dirichlet allocation machine. That's like a machine learning algorithm, and I have created a model out of it which can help predict different topics for different new articles and for even for the existing articles. So this concept here is called as topic modeling, where I extract multiple topics from an article. So an article can have multiple topics, and a topic can be a combination of multiple words. This is the fundamental assumption on which LDA works, and this is the fundamental assumption on which my project also is based on, because it works on LDA. So let me start off with a basic demo. So I've created a small web app showcasing the work that I have done. So this is the home page of the app, which shows you the articles on different topics. So family and relationships and stuff, and entertainment and media. So if you click on it, you will get articles, the top articles on this topic. And mind you, all of this was not there when I started with the dataset. The dataset just had the text of the article. I've created all this from scratch, and one thing I would like to try and say is that this process was, I'll explain the process basically. So I started with this text data, and I trained the LDA model on top of it, which extracted 20 topics for me. Basically, it gave me the words that belong to each topic, and it extracted 20 such sets. And then I basically passed those 20 sets to an LLM, say ChatGPT or Gemini, and then that LLM gave me an appropriate topic name for that particular set of words. And that's how I map the topic ID to the topic name. And once I did that, I understood that, okay, hey, this article is this much percent topic 0, this much percent topic 1, but rather than saying topic 0 and topic 1, now I have the topic name which I got from the LLM. And the topic name that I got is basically what you're seeing on the screen right now. These are the names of the topics that are covered in each article. And yeah, this was the flow. And eventually, after the completion at the end, I created a labeled dataset. A labeled dataset basically gave me that, hey, this is the topic, this is the article with this particular ID, and then for its corresponding topic, this is the top topic. This is the topic which has the highest, which is making the highest percent of the article. So I created a labeled dataset out of it. So the good part is now I can use this labeled dataset for supervised learning algorithms like text classification, and I can train them on this dataset. For example, you may have a dataset of news articles in this case, so you can train it using naive-Bayes text classification algorithm, for example, and hey, you have a labeled dataset now. So you didn't have to use any manual automation process to get the dataset label. You could do it using this concept of topic modeling, and that's pretty cool because that is something really time saving and energy saving and labor saving for any organization. So yeah, let me start off with the demo. This is the home page. This covers different topics. Then I have created this get article by ID. So basically I have an ID for each article, and you can get an article by ID. So it shows the article content, and it shows the topics that are covered in the article. So it says that environment and natural disasters is covering 46% of the article. 22% of the article is covered by sports and competition, and 12% of the article is covered by transportation and aviation. Next, I show the top words that are generally present in such topics, especially the topics that make it to the max, the highest of a particular article, here in this case environment and natural disasters. And after showing the keywords, I also show some similar articles which have been which have the content and the topics similar to that of the current article. So I use the LDA's similarity metric scores for that. And yep, this is the basic article details that you can get. Then you can get top articles on entertainment and media. So basically, if when you jump, say here, you get on a page similar to this one. So top articles, you get top articles on each topic. So it goes from, since we have 20 topics, it goes from 0 to 19. You have 0 to 19, so 20 topics basically, and you get all the articles. On clicking that, you basically get into that article, get to read it, and gets the topic covered on it and the keywords from it and the similar articles that match to it. Yes, so this is about the article details or the article content. Next, a fun cool thing that I created was, you give me any article and I'll tell you, hey, what topic this article is on. And this, for this demo, I have like 4 to 5 articles here which I'm gonna show. So firstly, I'm gonna start off with AWS KMS article. So this is about a key management service, covers all the encryption and all that part here. So yep, just pushing in its content here, and let's see how it goes. And yes, it predicts the right thing. It gives me that this article is on technology and computing, and it also gives me the similar articles that are present for this scenario. Great. Next, let's check on an article on, say, fighter jets, and let's copy it and paste it and check it out. And hey, it covers it. It covers that it's on transportation and aviation. It's on some law and legal issues related. It's tech. It's obviously fighter jets full of tech. It's economy and business related. It's covering so many topics. And yes, the model is correctly identifying all those topics. And similarly, you can get some more similar articles. Like this article was on what, fighter jets. So similar articles you can find, it's on some drone and stuff. And yeah, it's getting you results as close as possible in the similar articles thing. Let's check out something more. This is like sports news, something related to sports. So let me copy this and let's paste it and run it. And yes, it does find that it's on sports and competitions and thoughts and opinions, because thoughts and opinions form the biggest part of this sports news, because everyone has a different thought on how the player played and stuff. So yeah, and the similar articles, you see it for each search that you make. And then some cool news on the war landscape in the current world. Not that cool actually, but yeah, this is the war related recent war news. And yes, it comes up, it's international affairs and military related topic. And yeah, another Hollywood related, if you want to go, another article that I searched on, like paste it, check it, and yes, it's on entertainment and media, arts and aesthetics and stuff. So yes, this model works perfectly great for real world data sets where we actually take in the news articles and push in something new. I was even searching for a KMS article which actually gave me 2 topics basically. So it extracted not just the technology and computing part of it, but also the laws and legal issues part of it. Yes, because law and compliance comes when you are talking about cybersecurity, and this article even covers those topics. So you can successfully see that in this demo. So I hope you like this demo. A lot of effort and work went into creating this project, and if you like it, please like the video, and if you really like my project, you can always ping me, and I'll be happy to share the dataset and the final label dataset, the initial articles dataset that I gathered. And yeah, it was a difficult search for me to get these news articles dataset, but eventually when I got it, I was like, great, let's pump in some knowledge that we gained recently. So yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Thank you.